myself Ramesh Sai Tanwar, and today we are going to explain about the WHS. Everyone know WHS for the Australian. Is some in some countries or some areas it is also known as the OHS. And today I am talking about the advantages of the WHS. So first one is like the advantage of the WHS is like it helps to prevent illness and injuries, which like for example, it helps to reduce the injuries and sleep. Sorry, and equipments and related injuries.
Yeah, why do you presentation, right? Why do you have so many presentations?
And second one is create a safe work environment. Like if we have the good, if everyone is feeling safe or they have the good environment to work, they can boost the employment's confidence and well-being. And third one is improve productivity. So if we have the good environment and we think like our workplace is safer. We have like fewer distribution due to the injuries or like a sick leave. So everyone can come in the work because of it. People can because of it we have like more productions. So fourth one is reduce cost, like lower complaints, claims, legal fees, and medical expenses. We have like every companies have their own insurance to look after the workers. If something happen, they will like look after them. So third one is ensures legal complaints. It helps to avoid fines and legal action from the safety branches. So I know one incident for this. Like I was working in the cleaning places that one is car wash, and I was working with some Sri Lankan people, and there was one area like there is written like do not jump from this. Like there is little bit space, maybe 2 or 3 feet. He jumped and he fell down, and I think he got his leg over here, like completely. He got his leg, and insurance company they came there and they say everyone not to tell anything. He didn't did anything. He just fell down, and when insurance company came, they checked the video camera and they found that he actually jumped over that area, and the company, I think they got like 500 fine for each people, like for the manager or for the lower people.
You use personal example, that's very good.
Like that, so it helps. It makes third one is promote a positive workplace culture. So employee their safety is very important. So next one is like this is the rules for the WHS. So we can now I just talked about how we make our workplace safer. So this one is the hierarchy of the safety controls, means like this is the example how we can make our workplace safety. Like we talk about the safety. First one is how we can remove any hazards. First one is elimination. This one is like if someone is already get injured. For example, we have in our room someone get injured because of the broken chair. He don't know about that, so he sit and he fell down and we get injury. If it happens, we can completely remove that chair from there. It's like this is the example of the elimination. So that means we can completely eliminate that hazard. So it helps to reduce, like completely remove the hazard for the next person. Another one is like substitution. For example, in every place we have like sanitizers, chemicals. If that chemical is little bit like harmful or something more more
That's okay. I got it. You
And-
spoke 3 minutes.
and another one is like engineering control.
That's okay.
So like at the last, can you say the joke?
Yeah, please. Come on.
I want to say the joke like I work in one place in a factory and in normally I go in the morning and one day I start at 9 a.m. in the morning. So I was working and my boss saw me and he said, "Oh boy, good morning, have a good day." And I say, thank you, boss." And I come back home. He say, I don't want to work, and he say, have a good day, and I just.
एउटा छ कहाँ जानु प्रेजेन्टेसन छ
Somebody else used that joke last
हाम्रो
week, I think. But anyway, I'm good. Yeah?
Guys, one more thing. Last class, the teacher said everything can be a hazard. I feel that is also my fault. I'm working in the bar now. So in the place when I'm working, we have a dancer. She was dancing with 2 big candles with a big flame. So you can imagine that it's really dangerous. I saw, but I didn't say nothing. So I feel that also is my fault. Because if you see something, you have to, hey, please be careful with that. She was dancing and she just closed the flame in front of the alarm. So the alarm was on. We have the bomb, the fireman, the police, the ambulance there in front of the building because of us. So when the teacher said everything can be a hazard, everything can be a hazard. If you see something, just please careful with that and say, hey, please, that is not safe. Careful with that. Now I feel that is also my fault because I didn't say nothing. But I can understand what the teacher said in that moment. Everything can be a hazard. So please careful with
Especially
that.
when you have a kid, everything can be. Like the other day I was doing something